Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It is a box designed specifically for this stamped image, which is from the Lovely and Lasting bundle. So this is the stamp set, Lovely and Lasting, very nice. That's the image I've taken. And this section here matches this punch. And other stuff fits this punch too. But yeah, I wanted to make a project that could showcase this. So I've got Blushing Bride here with Melon Mambo on it, and then this beautiful, beautiful ribbon. But I'm going to do a slight variation. I'm also hopefully not going to put the beautifully tied bow, look at that, it's a perfect bow, and this bit on the wrong side, because there's my seam. And it should have been this side and I forgot. I mean, I could just take, well, I could take it off and turn it around, but let's not do that. Right, so you need a piece of cardstock that's 7 by 10 inches, 18 by 25 centimetres. This one is soft succulent. And on the long side, score it at 3 1/4, 4 3/4, 8 and 9 1/2 inches. Excuse me. In metric, that's 8, 12, 20 and 24. And then on the short side, score it at 1 1/2 and 5 1/2, which is 4 and 14 centimetres. And the finished size, 1 1/2 by 3 1/4 by 4, which is 4 by 8 by 10 centimetres. Somebody did say to me, why can't you put the pictures on the dimensions on the screen? I could, but you wouldn't see anything that I'm doing, because I do share in metric and imperial as well. I share both. So, and if I did that, if I put them on the screen, you wouldn't see anything. So that's why I don't. But you can click open the description bar. You can go straight to my blog and you will see the hyperlink for this specific project there in the description bar. And you can watch the video with the instructions with the measurements underneath. So that is the reason why. A few people have commented recently and said your lighting's rubbish. I'm sorry. It's coming out perfect for me and it's on screen. And somebody else said, you know, a few people have said the audio is terrible. It's really hard to hear. Your lighting's rubbish and your audio's terrible and the sound quality's awful. I do my best. It's the summer holidays, school, excuse me, school summer holidays here. So I'm filming at funny hours of the day and night to provide free videos. They are free, but I don't aim to have bad quality audio or bad quality lighting. What I see on the monitor in front of me while I'm filming and on my screens, and I have 3 screens that are professional grade, they're coming out perfect for me. The audio, occasionally I guess it is going to be a little bit different. And part of that is because I have to film with different microphones based on who's in the house. And that is just, you know how it is. So I'm not trying to, but yeah, really hard to read that sometimes. But it could be worse. I could get abuse and I'm not. So at least people are just saying, you know, your lighting's terrible, your lighting's rubbish. It's not, you know, you're a horrible individual, Sam. It's just about the stuff. So it's not my intention to have bad quality. My intention is to have good quality. But like I say, I provide free videos and I'm doing it while the school holidays are on. So I'm doing the best I can. It's currently 8 o'clock at night I'm filming this. And there's a lot of gaming going on. Okay, so I've inked up my image. I've got these 2 large rectangular areas. And I'm just going to go straight into the middle with this one and do the same over there. And speaking of school holidays, yes, I can hear somebody's getting very animated on their computer game or Xbox game or whatever. You know what I mean. Okay, so that's my 2 images done. And a cat hair from the parading cat who decided it would be fun to walk past. Of course she did. Okay, so I'm going to put some tear and tape along here. And under this one here. But nothing at the top. because the top, I do want it to stay open. So that obviously you can get in and out of it. So I'm going to fold in 2 sides and the back, and then this is the front. Paper pierce is what I need to take the backing off. Oops. And fold that round. Fold in 2 sides and the back and the top. And that's it. So I'm going to get my ribbon. And this time I've got the satin shimmer ribbon. Satin shimmer ribbon that is in soft succulent, which is partly why I went with soft succulent for this project. I was going to go mint macaron, and then changed my mind because the ribbon determined the colour. Right. So I'm just going to try and tie a bow. Oopsie. Not too shabby. And actually my tails are almost exactly the same length, so I'm going to leave them. Okay, I need a piece of basic white. Have I got a scrap? I've got a scrap. So back into here, I'm going to get this image, and this one's very easy to manipulate out of shape. So I'm just going to put that down there. And on my first one, I went with Best of Luck. And I'm thinking, can I fit thank you in there? I can fit thank you in there. Can I fit thinking of you? I can fit thinking of you in there as well, so I'm going to use that one. And I'm going to grab my soft succulent. Get my outer image and my shaded spruce again for thinking of you into the middle and punch it out. I've forgotten the name of the label punch. This one. It's nice, it's got a wibbly edge. And then I'm just going to pop a little hole up into the corner area. I think it's a video that they've got playing in the room next door. Not a game. So, they're boys, it's the summer holidays. Oh, so I've got white baker's twine. I'm just going to pull that through. Cut off probably far too much. Right, let's get the front and the back the correct way round this time. And I'm just going to feed it through the loop of this. And then tie a knot at the top. And then that one should hang down quite nicely. Just on there. And oops, this one wasn't flopped around. There we go. So we've got Best of Luck, we've got Thinking of You. It's getting caught. There we go. Best of Luck, Thinking of You. 2 rather lovely projects, and like I say, designed to fit around the stamp set. Unique, unusual, different. So Blushing Bride and Mellow Mambo, and this one is Soft Succulent and Shaded Spruce. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.